Give me the pink because I need my coins. All of them. Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, a little bit of fragrance. So if you like that kind of stuff, girl, go ahead and subscribe. Like, stop playing. You like it. Subscribe. Okay, kitties, so we're going to be getting into some favorites. I don't know about you, but I love favorite videos. You get to get a bunch of random products reviewed and see what you like from that random bunch of things. Of course, my theme is going to always be beauty, little fragrance, maybe some hair. That's my lane. So this is getting into things that I have really been loving and been using repeatedly, constantly, all the time. Yeah. Okay, so where do we start? So since I don't really know where to start. Well, let's start with like body. Okay, let's start with feet. The summer is almost here. Spring is here. The season for sandals. Everybody wants to get that body ready, baby, with them feet. Them feet should be ready as well. So I've been trying these products at home and I will say that they work very well and I've been loving them. You can tell by the dent. Like you see, you know I've been using it because you see the dent. Okay, yeah, you see that. Anyway, so I have 3 products that I have been using in my foot routine just to get my feet nice and smooth for sandal season. Although sandal season is almost like every day here, really, honestly. But more so in the summer, you're really going to be showing those feet and you want it to look as good as you do. Okay, yeah, you can get a pedicure and do all those things, but in between time, you still need to maintain that. Okay, so on Amazon, okay, I brought this extra strength callus remover, fast acting. This is something used to get rid of like dead skin and calluses on the feet. So if you have like that dry crack thing going on, which we don't really want it going on, and this is going to help you get rid of that, okay? So it's pretty easy to use. You're going to soak your feet in warm water for 5 to 10 minutes. You know, you can get one of the pedicure baths. I actually do mine when I'm in the shower. So before I take an actual shower, I like fill my tub up with warm water and let my feet just soak in that water for a while, scroll on my phone, let the water do its work. Because what it's going to do is soften the callus. And then you're going to apply this. It's like a gel. It's a gel consistency. So you apply this on your feet and then you scrub with one of those pumice stones, which I have a bunch of them. I don't know why I don't have it in front of here, but I got mine from Amazon. I'll make sure I link it in the description. But you get one of those pumice stones and you go to work, baby, and you scrub and you get rid of that dead skin. You do that maybe 3 to 4 times a week. And your feet are no longer going to be sticking or scratching up against the sheets when you're in the bed. You know that sound, that baby. And it's like kind of sticking to your heels. You don't want that. I know what that sounds like. Because who feels it knows it. Okay. And I don't like it. So this is going to help you get rid of it. And when you do that, okay, 3 to 4 times a week, you're on your way to better looking and softer feet. But after you do this, there's another step. Now, when you moisturize your feet, I normally put this on after I've used regular lotion. Once that has absorbed, I put this on my heels and the bottom of my feet. So this is going to deeply moisturize your feet. It also exfoliates it, but this is something you can use daily. Okay, the pumice stone and the callus remover you can use 3 to 4 times a week. This is something you can actually use daily. And when I put this on, I always put socks on. So I always wear this at night. This is by Carousel, okay? It says intensive foot repair. This is what it looks like. Everything is going to be linked below, but this is what it actually looks like. And it's sort of like a Vaseline consistency. It's like a thinner consistency to Vaseline. I'll show you what it looks like. So you see it here, I'm going to squeeze it out. You see that? That's the consistency. You're just going to rub a thin layer of this on your feet. And we're going to get rid of them cracks because somebody out here watching this video has probably 4 cracks at the bottom of their heel right now. All right, so now let's get into body oil, body lotions. And these are all from Victoria's Secret that I've been loving. In my last favorite video, you saw one of these. It was a different scent though. It was the it's by Pink in Victoria's Secret. This is the Super Berry scent, and it's a boosting body oil. This smells so fruity and so freaking juicy. And it helps, like I like to pair this with my like fruity perfumes, because when I put this on my body and then I put the perfume on top, it lasts long and it adds that like juicy aspect to the fragrance that I love. Girl, I love this. This is lightly, well, it's, yeah, I would say lightly scented. It isn't too overbearing. The consistency is truly what I love the most about it, because it's a oil, but it's an oil gel. It absorbs into the skin nice. It feels lightweight, and it gives you that glossy finish that I absolutely love. Okay, and for the summer, the spring, maybe you might need this for the scent as well as for the way it makes your skin look in the sun. Next, this is also by the Pink brand in Victoria's Secret, and this is the Pink Apple Pink. This is solely for the scent, okay? Well, the texture of this is actually really good, honestly. It leaves your skin very soft, but the scent is really what captivates me. The scent is so sweet and juicy. It's literally, it smells like an apple, but if an apple could be pink, I just really feel like it would smell like this one. Really feminine, juicy. I'm not even ashy right now, but I'm gonna put it on because I really, truly love the way this smells, and it makes my skin feel so soft. It has apple AHAs and it has apple exfoliator. So this helps skin to feel smoother and silkier, and it absolutely does that. And you smell good. You're soft, but you smell good. So this is it. Okay, and the last body cream from Victoria's Secret that I have been loving, it's this one. It's called Aqua Kiss. This is a really nice fresh body cream to pair with your fresh scented perfumes. This smells like water lily, pink grapefruit, and it gives you a bright and fresh scent. And I really do truly love this. It's been like a go-to. I have 2 fresh scented perfumes that smell so good with this, and I love it. So if you have any clean, fresh, floral fragrances, also smell very good with this body lotion. This is perfect for spring and summer. And again, this is Aqua Kiss by Victoria's Secret. Feels so good, smells so good, all the things, girl. Next up, I've really been enjoying my Glow Recipe cleansing balm. So this is something that I use to remove my makeup. It's called the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. So I haven't used makeup wipes in quite some time. I feel like I haven't used a makeup wipe since cleansing balms came out. I've used quite a few different ones, and the Glow Recipe is my more recent one that I've been loving. I really like the smell of it. It has a scent, but it's very lightly scented, like papaya. So it's a sweet, juicy smell, and it really does melt my makeup off. My face feels really smooth and soft after. Of course, I still follow up with a face wash. So whenever you use this to remove makeup, you're going to use this first, and then your next step would be to use an actual wash to completely get rid of the makeup. Absolutely love this. This is what the consistency looks like, as you can see here. So when you put this on your face, it just melts all the makeup away. I'm talking eyeliner, mascara, waterproof items, all of that it's going to be gone. Yeah. So next we have just one hair product, and it is not a product, a hot tool, and it is my crimper. Do you see my hair? I don't know if you were looking at this video, you were like, you know what, her hair looks real good. Her hair looks real good. These are extensions from Queen Weave Beauty. It is a body wave texture. If you know what body wave looks like, it's a very loose wave, okay? A very natural wave. Now, the crimping iron gives it this uniformed wave that you see. I got this from Amazon. Girl, and you can fit a lot of hair in this because it's pretty big. I did a video using this. I'll try to remember to link it when I'm editing this video, but I love this. I love this. Look at my hair. I just love the crimping look. So I like to use this with absolutely no products at all. I just go in, I put it on 410, and I go to crimping. And this is what I get. It's soft, it's flowy, it's wavy, great look for like vacation, like if you're going to like a tropical place. a waver or a crimper would be a really good hot tool to bring, and I have been loving it. So if you like these waves, girl, Amazon got you. This was a lot. This was less than $20, I think. The pink one was cheaper. I wanted the black one, but it cost more money for that color. So I was like, girl, give me the pink because I need my coins, all of them. Okay, so let's get into the makeup. It's literally just a couple of things. I haven't really bought anything new, but we're gonna start with lips. And while we start, let me go ahead and just reapply right now, okay? Because this lip gloss has been in heavy rotation. This is the MAC Air Lip Glass. They replaced their old lip gloss formula, which was a thick, very opaque and sticky gloss. If you love a lot of pigment in your gloss, you probably like those better. This is like a wash of color. It's sheer, it's lightweight. I love that. I love it for me. So the color that I've been really killing is the one that I have on right now, and it's called Casual. I'm gonna show you it a little close up so you can really see the color. So this is called Casual. It is a nude tone, so good for dark skin. I feel like it's like a Your Lip or better. It is, I could say, a brown tone with a little bit of like a pinky brown or like a reddish brown tone to it. It gives you a light wash of color on your lips, and it's gorgeous. Not only does it look good, it actually feels very hydrating to the lips. Complete opposite of what the previous matte glass formula was like. Complete opposite. Okay, I have 3 shades. I have a dedicated video on these. These are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous shades. So let me swatch Casual so you can see. Well, I have it on my lips, so you probably can see a little bit. And this is it on my hands. Hopefully you see it really good. So this is Casual. I think this should be a staple for, I think this color is probably popular with a lot of people that look like me. Okay, so a lot of brown, black, you know, dark skin. This is a really good Your Lip, but better shade. Of course, I have a pink one, which is Snobbish. And by the way, these smell really nice. You know, if you know MAC lip products, it has like a really nice vanilla scent. So this is Snobbish. I put it right next to Casual. Okay, and this is a very thin consistency gloss. So for me, you have to, if you like a really glossy lip, you have to go in and reapply it. Like dip it in, you know, you got to do it constantly because the wand is pretty small. Okay, and I also have a clear shade with a little bit of shimmer that is called Frosted, I think. Frosting. So I'll put that right below Snobbish. It's an iridescent shade, so it has like little shifts in it, so hopefully it picks up here on the camera. So it's right there on the top of Snobbish. So hopefully you guys are seeing that. Absolutely love these. I love MAC. These are the 3 that I got from the collection. These are the only 3 I feel like I really needed. I think the collection has about 8, but I only needed these. Next on the list is this Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation. I have the shade 368. I have it on my skin right now. If you have oily skin, please run out and get this. If you love foundation that is gonna last all day on your skin, but still feel lightweight and you look smooth and flawless, I've been wearing this little girl out. Wearing her out. Again, this is the Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation. I'm in the color 368, and this is what I have on right now, and it looks fantastic, and I've been really enjoying this. Next up, this concealer. This is the Morphe concealer. I'm in the shade Hazelnut 10.5. That's what I have on right now. It's very flawless. It's lightweight. It's not cakey under the eyes. I'm going to swatch my color right here. See, that is my color. So it's a really nice subtle highlight. It isn't super bright, this shade. Let me show you the wand. And this is what the wand looks like. So this is another item that I've really been enjoying by Morphe. Morphe has really been doing a comeback. Like everything they come out with has been really good. Really good. Next up is blush. I've been loving this. I don't know if I showed you guys this before, but it's the e.l.f. blush in this shade Bronze Bombshell. I've been loving this so much. I actually have it on right now. I'm gonna swatch it. These blushes are so good for such little, what is it, like $7 or $8 for this. Such an affordable price. And this is such a great shade for brown and dark skin. It gives you a really nice and natural flush of coverage, and it blends very easily, which is another thing that I really love about it. I think this is a good formula for beginners because it blends out so nicely. And if you're looking for a blush that you can use every day, that actually still looks good even if you're not wearing a full face of makeup, because it's so nice on brown and dark skin. It blends in a natural way. This is something you need to look into, and it's only $7. Next up are these lashes that I have on right now. They're from Amazon. Okay, I'm gonna link them. They just say, what do they say on here? The shade just, I mean, the style just says spiky lash. I'll show them to you, but I'll have these linked because I got these from Amazon, and these lashes are so cute. I love when there's like a little space in between. It gives you that nice baby doll look, and that's what I'm wearing right now. I do cut mine a little shorter because the strip is normally too long for my eye. So I go in on the end and just clip it so it fits my eye nicely. And these, and they're affordable. That's always the theme. It's affordable. Okay, and the next and last thing is my scent combo that I've been loving. I had to choose just one for this video, but this combo is YSL Libre, okay, paired with Kayali Fleur Majesty Rose Royale. Paired with this is such a beautiful floral feminine scent that lasts literally the entire day. Literally the entire day. So if you love rose, but you don't love rose, like you don't like a bunch of rose notes, you like a sweet floral with a little bit of freshness, this combo is going to be for you. Okay, you're going to smell so fantastic, and you can wear this anywhere. You can, not anywhere, well, you can wear it anywhere. I feel like you can do a daytime date with this, or even something in the nighttime. For the spring and summer, it's the epitome of spring and summer. You know, when you wear that nice floral dress to brunch out with your girls, this scent is going to take your look up a notch. Okay, this combo, and it's going to last long. And it's going to last long. Okay, this combo is definitely what I have really been loving lately, and I've been wearing it so often because it pairs so well together. I'll definitely pop the notes up on the screen so you guys can see whether or not this is the type of fragrance that you would like. This is a classic, clean, sophisticated, floral, perfect. This has the same sort of vibe, but it's a little bit sweeter because of the note of pear that's in the top note. I think it has pear and peach. So it gives it that a little bit of a sweetness to the rose and the floral tones. Beautiful, very well done. And the combo, out of this world, girl, out of this world. All right, so that was my current favorites. Hopefully I did that spitfire because those are my intentions on doing it really quickly and going through them and getting you this list, okay? I enjoy all these products that I just mentioned. If you are interested in them, of course, I have them linked down in my description. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down in the comments. You better like the video, subscribe, come back and watch another video. Bye, guys.